In this video, we'll show how you can set up your free SQL Cloud database for use with Alpha Anywhere. So in order to create a SQL Cloud database, you must have an Alpha Cloud subscription. So if you don't have an Alpha Cloud subscription, go to the Alpha Cloud menu here in the web control panel and click on the Purchase Alpha Cloud subscription. Once you have your Alpha Cloud subscription, go to Advanced and then select Subscription Test Databases. And if you've not yet logged into your Alpha Cloud account, you'll get your login dialog over here. So let's just go ahead and log in. And this is then going to open up the Manage Subscription database, where we can manage all of the Cloud SQL databases. So initially we don't have any databases, and we can go ahead here now and we can create MariaDB, SQL Server or Postgres cloud databases. So I'm going to just go ahead here and click Actions, and then I'm going to go here and choose Create Server, and I can choose what type of database server I'd like to create. So I'm going to start out by creating, say, MariaDB, and then click Create, and now Alpha will create a cloud MariaDB instance for me. So the instance has been created, but we actually need to wait a couple of seconds before we do anything else to actually let the instance finish creating. Once the instance has finished being created, we can go here now and perform additional actions on the server. So the first thing we'd like to do is actually create a sample database so we can work with this MariaDB instance. So I'm going to go there, check the box over there to indicate that I'm going to be applying an action to this database server there. Go ahead and click the Actions button, and this time I'm going to say Install Sample Database. So I'll go there and click OK. And this is going to go ahead now and create a instance of the demo Northwind database for me. So I don't have any existing databases, so I'll just go here and just type in, say, NW, and then say Install Sample Data, and go ahead there and click OK. And after a short while, the database will be created, and now I can go ahead and use this database from within Alpha. So in the next video, we'll show how you can create a connection string to point to your Cloud SQL database, and how you can then use this database in your applications.